students, in this video we are going to solve multi-step linear equations, and this video comes after a series of videos that cover solving one-step equations and two-step equations. So let's get started. There's a few things to keep in mind before you solve a multi-step equation. The first is look for anything that needs to be distributed first. Okay, you'll know when you need to distribute when you have a number beside a set of parentheses with terms on the inside. So looking down the page, I see a chance to distribute in number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Number 1 doesn't have that set of parentheses, so we won't be distributing there. The second step is to combine like terms. Like terms are anything with the same variable, so this 9x and negative 7x are like terms. Also, the 1 and negative 5 are like terms. They have no variable. And then finally, step 3 is to solve using the techniques that we've used in previous videos, in previous lessons. So let's use number 1 as an example. In number 1, I don't have any distribution to do. So first thing to look for is combining like terms. On the left side of this equation, I've got a 9x and a negative 7x that are like terms, so I can put those together. 9 take away 7 is 2. I've also got this plus 1 and minus 5. They are like terms because they don't have variables. 1 take away 5 is negative 4. Now from this point forward, we've seen problems like these before, so it should run rather smoothly. You have to get x all by itself, and to do that, you have to get rid of the 2 that's multiplying and the 4 that's subtracting. Going backwards through PEMDAS tells you which to get rid of first. I need to get rid of any add, subtract first, so I'm going to add a 4, which leaves me 2 times x equals negative 16. To get rid of a multiply of 2, I'm going to divide. And my final answer is x equals negative 8. All right, let's try number 2. The first thing I see in number 2 is this set of parentheses with a negative 7 out front. That is a chance to distribute. So let's start there. Anytime you distribute, you multiply the thing outside the parentheses with all the terms on the inside of the parentheses. So I'll be multiplying this negative 7 times 3a, which is negative 21a, and negative 7 times negative 1, which is positive 7. Now this is another two-step equation. I need to get rid of a negative 21 that's multiplying a and a plus 7. Back to PEMDAS, I'm working backwards, so I need to get rid of this addition first. Minus 7, minus 7. 91 take away 7 is 84. And now I have negative 21 times a. To get rid of a multiply by negative 21, I need to divide by negative 21. 84 divided by negative 21 is negative 4. Let's do one more example together. This one's got a few more steps to it. Take a look at number 3. First thing on our to-do list is to distribute. So I need to distribute this negative 5 with the 2 terms on the inside. Negative 5 times 3m is negative 15m. Negative 5 times 10 is negative 50. The 4m out front can just travel down, and of course the equals 126 can travel down. Now I've got 2 like terms to combine. A positive 4m and a negative 15m combine to make negative 11m. Now I'm back to our regular solving techniques. I need to get rid of a negative 11 that's multiplying m and a minus 50. Remove the minus 50 by adding. And then remove the negative 11 attached to the m by dividing. 176 divided by 11 is going to be negative 16. I hope you can use these 3 examples as you work through the rest of the problems on the page. Happy studying!